In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get started on Mixer from starting your account to actually hitting that go live button. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What is up, you guys? My name is Jonny. If this is the first time you come into my channel and you do enjoy FPS games, Mixer tutorials and ways to grow and create your community, then start now by pressing that subscribe button and turning on post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. So I'm guessing if you've clicked onto this video, I presume that you will want to start streaming on Mixer, and if you are, then congratulations. Actually having the motivation to start streaming on Mixer is actually the notification that should be telling to you that you should be getting started. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you all of the steps from starting your account to creating all the stuff for your Streamlabs and all your Xbox use, and then actually hitting that go live button so you can be broadcasting your stream to millions of people. Like I said, guys, if you guys are brand new around here, make sure you press that subscribe button, turn on that post notifications. I am going to be doing a video Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so make sure you do come and stop by. I'm going to be doing Mixer tutorials, I'm going to be doing Call of Duty class setups, you name it, anything FPS wise, you will get it on my channel. So with that being said, let's head straight over to my Xbox and let me show you how to get started streaming on Mixer. So first of all, we want to make sure that you have all the appropriate settings enabled, which will stop you from actually starting a stream in the first place. So head over to your settings, go to the privacy and online safety, Xbox Live privacy, and then enable adult defaults to more social. If you are young, then I do recommend that you do ask your parents or your carers to allow you to adjust these settings. And once you've selected that, head over to your view details and customize, head over so you can broadcast gameplay and make sure that that is set to allow. This will then allow you to start streaming on broadcast sites like Mixer and also Twitch if you are also interested on streaming with Twitch. Now the next step is going to be internet speed. And now internet speed is a very important factor when it comes to streaming on any platform, whether it's YouTube, Mixer or Twitch. You need to make sure that your internet speed meets up to the requirements of what is expected to stream on Mixer or Twitch. So there is a ton of tutorials obviously on how to do this if you have very low Wi-Fi or if you don't have very good Wi-Fi. There is tons of tutorials to help you get through this and to actually allow you to start streaming on Mixer where there'll be lagless streams but your quality will differ. So head over to speedtest.net and click go. The detail that you want to pay attention to is actually the upload speed. So you want to make sure if you are going to be streaming in 720p that you have a minimum of 1.8 upload speed, and that you want to stream in 1080p, then it have to be a 3.5 upload speed. All of these details are going to be head over in the description down below, so just in case you guys don't forget, and also I will put some useful links in the description down below to help you if you don't meet these requirements and you still want to stream on Mixer. The next step is equipment. Now, before we fully get into this, I just want to say to you guys, equipment will not make you completely successful on any social media platform. You can have the best camera in the world, the best microphone in the world, the best setup in the world, but that doesn't guarantee you that you're going to have success. What people actually look for is the personality of the streamer or the quality that the streamer will provide for the audience. So if we take Ninja, for example, Ninja is an online influencer who obviously streams on Mixer now, and you know, people come to his streams because of his gameplay. He's insane at Fortnite or at Apex Legends or whatever game he puts his mind to. He will make sure that he impresses you guys with the best gameplay out there. And on top of that, you have other streamers, you know, like Tim the Tapman, Lyric, other streamers who I'm presuming you guys may have watched before. If you haven't, make sure you go and check them out. Some of these people aren't good at the game, but people still watch them because of the personality that they provide and all the entertainment value that they provide for the stream. So with that being said, if you want to start streaming on Mixer, then I would recommend a basic setup from the get-go and actually upgrade over time if you think that streaming is for you. So first of all, I highly recommend you get a webcam. A lot of people say a webcam isn't necessary, but I completely disagree. A webcam is completely necessary. You do have your odds and sods of people who, you know, have got famous from streaming without a webcam and just their voice, but they're the odds and sods, man. I understand, obviously, if you are afraid of using your webcam at the beginning, that's completely fine. A lot of people are, you know, a bit worried about, you know, what people are going to think, you know, when they're looking at them, and they're going to think, oh, like, you know, I don't want to watch this guy. And I completely get that. I was like that at the beginning. But I seriously recommend, to build up that confidence, you have to get a webcam and you just have to start streaming, man. You have to start streaming with a camera, with a webcam on you, with some decent lighting, and just watch it. A lot of people will get a personal connection with you if they can actually see a face behind the voice, if that makes sense. I actually use the Logitech C920, which is by far one of the most popular webcams for streamers on a budget and who are just starting out. What's good about this webcam is that you can plug it right into your Xbox or into your computer and it will work straight away. But if you guys are on a proper serious budget, you guys can actually still use your Kinect camera. Another piece of equipment you actually need is your microphone. Now, the microphone is a very, very important piece of equipment. Now, you can have the best quality, but if you sound like you're going through a jet terminal or you sound like you're on an aeroplane, people aren't going to watch. Honestly, guys, I seriously recommend, if you are going to start, you know, looking to purchase things, I would seriously recommend getting a really, really good microphone. The microphone I'm using right now to talk to you guys is the Samsung C01U Pro. It is a very underrated microphone. It's not really one that people commonly use. People tend to use the blue microphones. And actually, with that being said, the best microphone to start off with, if you are on a budget, is the Blue Snowball. The Blue Snowball I've had for numerous amounts of years, and with a couple of settings adjustments, they can actually perform as well as the top tier blue microphones or a microphone like mine here right now. To actually enable the microphone on your Xbox, head over to your Xbox, press home, go to broadcast and captures, then click broadcast and then enable your microphone. If you're also connecting a webcam up as well, then click the camera options and adjust the settings and the positioning of the camera to your personal preference. My personal preference is, if you've got the chat popping up on the right hand side of yourself, then I would seriously recommend putting your webcam on the left hand side, so then when you're looking over, it actually looks like you're looking over at the chat, which is on the webcam. Just a little bit of a tip for you there. The next step is actually adjusting your stream title. Now, when you first start streaming on Mixer, it will actually just appear with your gamer tag and then saying 'S is channel. So, for example, mine is It's Jonny, and if I just started going on, it would say It's Jonny's channel, and that's it. So, to actually change this, head back over to your broadcasting captures, click on the stream title, and adjust it to any title you prefer. Now, the best titles are the ones which are capitalized, the ones which have got maybe a couple of emojis in there, and something that will actually stand out between the crowd of what game you're actually playing. So that's another little bonus tip as well, to actually head over to Mixer and see what kind of titles people are using and see if that actually, you know, it's encouraging engagement within the actual stream itself. But if you guys actually want any more tips on how to make a good stream title, then let me know in the comment section down below, or chat to me over on Twitter or Instagram, and I'll get back to you guys with another video in regards of it. And finally, the last step, ladies and gentlemen, is to go live. Now, to do this, you want to go back over to broadcast and capture settings, hit that go live button, and hey presto, you, my good sir, or my fair lady, you have just started your stream journey. So congratulations, guys, you have successfully created your own Mixer channel, you've adjusted your titles, you've checked your internet speed to see if it is decent enough, and you have officially started your journey as a Mixer streamer. Guys, bravo to you. I'm obviously holding the mic, so I can't really clap with both hands, but bravo to you. You should be very, very proud of yourself. There is a lot of people who want to start streaming but never actually do the first basic steps, like in this video, to actually start their journey. But you guys have, and for that, you should give yourselves a round of applause. Just honestly, big up to you all. You guys are all amazing, and I hope I get to see as many of you guys streaming over on Mixer. So if you guys are actually starting your journey on Mixer, drop your Mixer links in the comment section down below. I'll make sure to come and lurk, have a couple of chats with you guys here and there, and just see what you guys do, because I'm very interested to see what the Mixer community is myself. For the past 4 or 5 months, I've started streaming on Mixer, so I would love to know what you guys do yourselves as streamers. But ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, share this with some friends who are also wanting to start streaming themselves. And yeah, my name's been Jonny. You guys have been fantastic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.